Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Ubuntu 22.04 long-term support, that is Jammy Jellyfish on VirtualBox 6.1 with the guest edition. So this is a much awaited Ubuntu long-term support release, released every 2 years. So let us see how to install. So first I am creating one Ubuntu 22.04 virtual machine with the 8 GB RAM and 40 GB virtual hard drive. So virtual machine is created successfully. Go to settings, system. I am checking the floppy. So optical drive will be the first device to boot, and pointing device is USB tablet, and I am allocating 4-core CPU. Internet will be NAT. So we need internet connection in order to install guest edition dependencies. Make sure that your virtual machine is connected to internet. So now I am selecting Ubuntu 22.04 desktop.iso DVD ISO file in storage. Okay, so everything is fine. Let us start the Ubuntu 22.04 installation. So this is the installation screen. So I am clicking try Ubuntu because try Ubuntu screen we can see the installation in larger view. For that purpose I am selecting try Ubuntu. So after clicking the try Ubuntu, your screen appear like this. Now I am selecting displays. So adjust the resolution. Yes. Now we can see the Ubuntu 22.04 installation in full screen. So let me click the button install Ubuntu 22.04. So installation screen has started. So English will be the default language. Click the continue button. English US is the keyboard layout. Normal installation. I am selecting the normal installation. Okay, select erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click the install now button. Okay, select your location. Click the continue button. Okay, type your name. This will be your login user. So give a computer name and also provide the password. So this will be the login user. So now installation in progress. So installation is completed. So I am going to shut down the Ubuntu. So installation is succeeded. So press enter to remove the media. Okay, now go to settings, system. So change the boot order so that it will start from hard disk. So after booting, so this is the appearance of the screen. So now I am going to terminal, login as a root user. So make sure that you are connected to the internet in order to download the VirtualBox dependencies. So first I am giving the command apt update. So this will update the repositories. Next, provide the command apt install -y build -essential space linux -headers dollar open bracket uname -r close bracket, press enter. Okay, I think some of the packages are already installed and some not installed. So it's a broken install. So I am giving the command apt fix broken install. So in my case, some of the packages are partially installed, some of the packages are not installed. So what I am giving? So I am giving apt fix broken install. So this will download all the dependent packages for VirtualBox guest edition. Yes, so all the dependencies for VirtualBox got installed. So next what I am going to do, I am going to insert. So let me switch to full screen. So this is the VirtualBox guest edition directory. So let me open in terminal, switch as a root user. .vbox linux editions .run. Yes, so VirtualBox guest edition installed successfully. I did not see any errors. So make sure that you are restarted the virtual machine. So before restart, we need to update some changes in VirtualBox. So I am power off the virtual machine. Go to settings, general advanced, make shared clipboard and drag and drop as bidirectional. Start the virtual machine. Okay, so we have restarted after the installing guest editions. So first check what are the applications available in Ubuntu 20.04. So LibreOffice 7.3 is available by default. Many applications are there. You can check one by one if you got time. So all are basic applications, and you can see some basic utilities like disk analyzer, disk viewer, all the tools like system monitor. So these are all basic tools required. So this time Ubuntu 22.04 overall performance is average performance only. So we have some graphical issues also. So those who face graphical issues, make sure that you install the Ubuntu in safe mode. Safe, that is graphical mode, safe graphical mode. Okay, now I am opening the terminal. I am running some commands. So I am going to copy paste this command output, terminal output to Windows host machine to check whether share clipboard is working or not. So I am copying this. Yes, so I can able to paste from Ubuntu 22.04 to Windows host machine. So now I am typing some command or statement in Windows host and try to copy and paste in Ubuntu 22.04 virtual machine.